For me to build it by hand without AI, I would say it's like probably solid, like at least a day of work to collect this information,
Exactly.
like put
it's
it
not only
right.
like the actual coding aspect, but to do all this research, that'll take a long time. Today, I want to try to build something fun together on Code Arena. How does that sound?
To be honest, like I code, but I haven't been like really closely following what is happening in Code Arena right now. I know you guys are doing a bunch of cool stuff, a lot of like new things. So would love to explore it with you.
Yeah. Let's try to figure out what we want to build. I had this idea for a travel app that I want to create for maybe like a summer trip to Japan. A lot of my friends have been going recently, so I'm kind of inspired to kind of check it out, and maybe Code Arena can build something like an itinerary for us.
Yeah, that sounds great, man. Like I've been to Japan last summer or something. It was such a blast, and actually that's a great idea. I remember like I had this discussion with my wife. I tried to persuade her to go to Japan as a destination. So maybe if I have this, it will work better. So let's do it. Yeah, I definitely did a bunch of research back then. So like if we can, like we definitely need to like basically search the web to get a lot of the goods to build something like this.
That's a great idea.
Yeah.
So maybe we can prompt Code Arena to build me a travel itinerary for, let's say, like a 7-day trip, 7 to 10-day trip. I think that's good enough for a good, relaxing Japan trip. And maybe we can grab we can grab different. We can suggest different cities we want to go to, and it can do the heavy lifting here for like the actual research, because I'm not super familiar with the different cities. It can kind of teach us what to visit, what's kind of special about each place. Yeah.
So maybe build a travel itinerary, 7 days, 7 days of schedule.
7 days schedule, perfect.
Including different cities, different sites to visit. What can we do to make it like cooler visualize? Because I'm trying to use this to persuade my wife to to take this.
We better do a good job here so she's convinced. I mean, Japan is beautiful. It is breathtaking when you look at the images online.
Totally.
Let's maybe prompt it to add some like really visually aesthetic images of Japan. I don't know, like the Tokyo skyline is a very popular one. Tell it to have make an image of that and put it on this website. And any supporting images, honestly, for different cities, maybe like, different, foods to try out in Japan. Let's see how the model what it decides to make here.
All right. Yeah, I think this looks great. I think we should go for it.
Let's do it. Let's fire it off.
Let's go.
Let's let it cook.
Yep. Okay. So, wow. Option and option B. So as you can see, this is our like battle mode.
Yep.
This looks very different with the text though. Like we have a lot more going on here. Do you want to maybe like walk me through a little bit of like what is happening in this screen?
Yeah, for sure. So right off the bat, we see option A is generating a ton of images. It seems like it's like generating different cities like Tokyo, Hakone, Kyoto, Osaka, and so on. And you can actually click on the images while they are made.
Oh, wow.
So you can see that, it looks like this is Shibuya Crossing. Right?
Yeah.
So that's super cool.
Super cool.
Wow. And you can even like click on the external icon thing over there, and it shows you in the code editor.
Oh, geez.
In like a full view of what that looks like. And while they're coming in, you can kind of see it just shows you all of them. You can click through. But it looks like the deer is there, the cherry blossoms.
Nara. This is really nice. How are these generated?
Yeah. So behind the scenes, we pick an image model to use. That's like randomly picked for the task, and the main model, like whatever model option A is or option B, it'll actually prompt the image model for the image. So it's actually writing kind of like a prompt that a human would do, but the model is taking control over what it's prompting.
Got it.
Yeah.
Super cool. So this is getting into the range of like tool calling, right? So we have we have a image generation tool.
Yes.
That is what we were using, right? Like, can you like maybe explain it like a little bit more about like what's a tool, like how it works? Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. So basically like the model can call the tools in a loop. It has access to maybe like 10 plus tools, right? And the model is going to use the tool to accomplish a certain task. So in this case, because in our prompt, we want to include different images of Japan, it knew I'm going to go ahead and get the generate image tool, and it can pass in like different parameters. Let's say like the prompt, like the type of image it is, like a PNG or a JPEG, and it's going to fire off, call an image model. And once the image model completes, we can get the image back and use that, and it can use that in the website.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is so cool. I guess looks like we have the option A generation finished.
Oh yeah, let's take a look.
So should I click here, like maybe?
Yeah. Perfect.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a preview. Oh wow. Okay,
Awesome.
Japan journey. I like the hero image there. Is that like Mount Fuji or something?
Yeah. Exactly. This is this image, right? Like that we were seeing.
Yes,
I think, like
the
the
hero
website
one. Yes.
put it in really nicely.
Yeah.
And yeah, week of planning.
Wow.
How did it get this information? I'm curious.
Let's take a look
see.
at the agent thinking here. So it says I'm updating the index to HTML. Okay, it's creating a data file. So I guess that's where all these like itinerary items are coming from. It's
And I guess I can also see it in the
exactly.
the code editor.
You can actually you see it
data
in the code, and it shows you exactly.
Yeah, this is super cool.
It's like this afternoon Shibuya crossing and so on. Yeah. So I guess it's just pulling it from there, and then it's making more UI elements to actually present it in a nice way.
Yeah, these are all like as we discussed, tools, right? But like for different purposes.
Yes, exactly. Yeah.
Awesome. So build tool. This is
Build tool.
Yeah.
Because it's like a React app, it needs to build, compile the project. And, in this case, it actually got it on the first try. For some models, I noticed that they will build and then the build fails. And then they need to re-edit certain files to like make the compilation work. And then once it rebuilds, it works after that. But this one, it did on the first try.
Yeah, this is really cool. Like, I guess this is the part that where like Code Arena really evaluates models like agentic capability of
100%,
like revisiting, like seeing the build result and like based on the result to revisit the project. We did see some failure here. And it seems like the model corrected itself. Like,
yes.
Right? Yeah.
Yeah. It seems like it failed on over there for editing the index.html, but then on the bottom, it came to revisit that.
Yep. Yeah, we have it working now. Awesome. This is great. I want to look at this site a bit more. Yeah, this is really cool.
Do you think this will convince your wife? Like that's the ultimate test here, right? We want to make sure this is.
I mean, better than my than my speech back then. This definitely has a lot more wow factor, and it makes sense. Like a lot of the schedules here makes total sense.
Yeah. When you went on your Japan trip, did you visit these places?
Yeah, I think so. I hit at least a couple places mentioned here. I would say like the images really make it like really make this a very solid plan. I want to try some of the buttons here. They are also working. Like so as you can see, like it has like a redirect to.
Right.
Yeah, this is super cool. Option B is taking some time to
Maybe we can kind of read through what it's doing here.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. So right off the bat, tons of images are being made.
Yeah. This model really goes for that wow factor, I guess. The visual parts, yeah.
Definitely trying to make this super visually interesting. Wow. So it seems like there are like 15 images or something.
Yeah.
Wow.
But I guess like, they are looking kind of like for similar themes. Like I also see the Nara deer. So yeah, after the image, let's see what else it is doing. It's also trying to edit file.
It's getting some nice fonts, it seems like. I didn't see that in the other one.
Oh yeah. Oh wow, we have it. Oh wow, this is so cool.
Ooh.
Yeah.
I think. Oh wow. So I think for this one, maybe the CSS didn't load correctly for the model.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, we can take a look at the website first. Yeah. The images are super cool, stands out. But as you said, like to be honest, this is a pretty complex task. Like for me to build it by hand without AI, I would say it's like probably solid like at least a day of work to collect this information,
Exactly.
like put
it's
it
not only
right.
like
yeah.
the actual coding aspect,
Yeah.
but to do all this research, that'll take a long time, especially as coming in with like not too much experience, never have visited the country before.
Yeah.
It can just do the heavy lifting for me and figure out what to visit and then present it to me in like a structured format, because I feel like I want to just have like a plan going into it, and then it just points out where I should visit, what I should do.
Yeah.
So it makes like the decision making a lot easier.
Yeah, totally. It has like a lot of knowledge that is required to build something like this. Like, as you said, like the planning, like the structure and the knowledge about Japan, and also like the prompt to generate these beautiful images. Like for this part, for me, it will take me a lot of time to either like try to search the internet to find them, or like come up with a convincing or good enough prompt to generate like high quality images like this. Yeah, look at this image.
Oh, wow.
Wow, it's I'm hungry.
It's so like real. Oh my god.
They I guess they both managed to identify a lot of like the good spots, like the good sites to
I like
visit
the images
in
here
Japan.
more than the other one.
True, I agree. Is there any way that we can see who generate, like what model generate this images? Like,
Yeah, let's take a look. So if you open up option B here, and let's open up one of the images. Oh, nice. You can see it's generated by MAI. So that's actually Microsoft's image.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Good stuff. Yeah. Kudos to Microsoft team. These are like very high quality image.
Definitely.
Yeah, let's go through a bit more. Like, apparently like option B is broken a little bit. So let's see like what is it trying to do?
Yeah. I feel like it's got to be a CSS thing. Maybe we can jump in the code and see what it did in the index.
Yeah, that's a good point. Index.
Right there.
CSS.
Oh, okay. So it seems like somehow the Tailwind CSS is not importing correctly. I think it's probably a syntax error.
Yeah.
It's my guess.
I guess another cool thing is that like, if I want to build on top of this, like I want to fix this. What are some options for me here? Can I download it? Like,
yeah, for sure. If you like something and you just want to take it locally, and wherever you go, you can just download the project. You see over here
I saw
on
the download
right
button. Yeah.
Yep.
Oh yeah, 70 Japan
Creates a zip
itinerary.
file,
Yeah,
and
let's go. Yeah,
you can
this is really cool.
just have that saved for you. Yep.
Yeah. Awesome.
Maybe what we can do for this one, because the CSS is broken, we can maybe just tell it that seems like the Tailwind CSS is not working correctly, and see if it can try to fix it.
Yeah, that sounds great.
Sometimes what I've noticed is because of like different versions of packages, we're on Tailwind version 4 right now. It may actually use like an old style of doing a certain library the way it's kind of designed for. So sometimes you have to remind the model like, hey, like this is we're using these versions. It's this new semantics, new syntax, and then it can pick up how to do it.
Yeah. Let's see what option B says.
Oh wow! So it says it found the issue.
Oh, okay.
So Tailwind CSS v4, but the source index CSS is using v3. Exactly. Okay.
So that's exactly what you said. Like, so the model was able to like debug this, and looks like it's trying to put up a fix, build correctly, fix is simple.
Let's take a look at that.
Looks like it's still deployed the project.
And we'll scroll up over here. See. Oh, let's click this here.
Oh, okay.
There we go. Okay,
Nice.
It looks so much better.
Oh, yeah.
It's like
fixed.
worlds apart. Now it's fixed.
Yeah, it's legit fixed. Yeah, this is really nice.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, wow. This looks so much better now.
This one's quite good.
Yeah. So is it common? Like, do we see a lot of users trying to iterate within Code Arena, like in multi-turn, try to fix things?
100%. Like very rarely you're gonna get something that you envision in your head. On your very first prompt.
Yeah.
Because I feel like the first prompt is kind of setting the foundation. Let's get the pieces in there. Let's have a rough sense. You're kind of in the prototyping phase when you're doing it, but you really want to keep on iterating, iterate have, kind of fixed, the issues that you saw in your previous generations. Maybe you have new ideas you want to keep on implementing. So we see a lot of users just prompt for many, many turns to really kind of nail the site that they have in their head and kind of bring it to life. For example, in this one, like we were trying to fix a bug, and we can continue kind of building upon the foundation we have here.
Yeah, this totally makes sense. Like this is how like even for like software engineers, they do code nowadays, right? Like they interact with like cursor, Claude code, whatever, like multi-turns, because like for complex projects like this one, as you said, it's really hard to get it right in one go. So like having that ability to have human in the loop and
100%.
provide feedbacks is like really, really nice. And see like how big a difference it has made. This is like a really nice site.
Yeah. Each one looks like a little like video almost, like a little like a nice thumbnail.
Totally.
Okay, so it seems like option A came back, but this time with an error, which sometimes happens. Like the model just doesn't respond fully with the successful generation. But what we can do to kind of figure out what we want to select to move on, let's look at this option B for this turn. And we can compare that to what option A had in the previous turn, because the CSS was fine there. So we can kind of compare the two here. Any initial thoughts on what you like more?
I don't know, man. I like option B better.
Option B?
Yeah, the visuals.
I mean,
the fixed CSS, like thanks to your help, I think it looks much better. I'll just go for it.
Yeah, go for it. I know, I agree with you. Like option B, it has like a lot more information, and also it's like much more visual and kind of really covers like, here's the itinerary and here's like a supporting image to go alongside of it, so you can kind of like imagine you're there, living there.
Yeah, totally. Okay, we have the identity.
Okay, so we see that Claude Opus 4.6 thinking versus Gemini 3.1 Pro preview, and Claude Opus wins. Amazing.
I think it like errors like this is understandable, because like tasks that we are trying to solve here are much more complicated. It's not like in text arena where like you ask a question and like we have pretty high like success rate of like two models streaming back. But here like the model, as you can see, is calling multiple tools in one generation. It's going back and forth. So it's very likely to have these errors. And I feel this is what like makes Code Arena really valuable and like really has like that separability of models capability, right?
Absolutely. It's like generating for so many tool calls and for much longer. And the task is just much more difficult. But I'm glad we have a really nice version over here. Is there anything else we want to add here to the Japan trip?
So thinking about ideas to make this even cooler or like more persuasive to my wife, we need to find some good restaurant spots. So I think like we got some very solid sites and some general recommendations about food, but like if we can find out like specific restaurants in the city that would to add to this, that would be
Let's
great.
do that. I mean, food is one of the main reasons why you go to Japan, right? So we have to include that here. Let's ask it to find some like really good restaurants for the different cities that it has listed out for us, and tell it to go really deep. Like go look at all the reviews, see what people are saying online. Maybe you can pull down like the star ratings of like the different restaurants. And just like put it in the itinerary. So when we're there, we can make sure to visit it.
That sounds good. Look at reviews. Add them to the travel plan. All right.
Let's do it. Let's fire it off. Oh, so over here now we have two new models. And we don't know their identities. Oh, but over here you can see that, you see how it's like calling searches, various searches.
Oh, wow.
You can see like, it's like calling, best restaurants Tokyo 2024, 2025, must visit, highly rated. It's like doing like a Google search here. You can see like trip.com, it's going to CN Traveler.
I can still remember last year when I was doing this manually. I was like, going through these sites and trying to, and now it's all listed. Like it's all, I guess the tool calls are all in parallel. So these are all like done in parallel.
All in parallel, and it's doing a lot more searches than just that. You can see like it's making a bunch of different search queries and taking all this information that it's collecting, and it's gonna bring that together to find where we should go. Yeah.
Yeah, it's amazing like what a productivity improvement tool this is. Like just look at how many information sources that the agent is sourcing at one moment is brilliant.
Yeah. If I were just to search these websites alone, it would take me like more than a day.
Yeah, totally.
A lot of effort. But yeah, now you can see like it's saying it will make a comprehensive restaurant data for all the cities, and it's all grounded in real information online, instead of kind of just being baked in the model, training on the model weights. We can actually see something that's more real time.
Yeah. That's I guess that this makes like Coderina so much more useful for day-to-day use cases, because like factuality and getting real time information is so important. Yeah.
Totally.
Yeah.
Cool.
Let's see.
Option B.
Option B. Yeah.
Yeah, so this one's also going off, doing a bunch of searches. Some of the searches look kind of similar, so it seems like they're trying to find like, similar-ish, sites to look at. And it's like, it's interesting. It's like searching, and then it said it wants to dig deeper. Now it's like looking for like specific foods, like ramen in Tokyo.
Do you think like the model is probably using the feedback, like what they got from this round, some of their search results to further refine the search prompts that are going to do in this round, right?
Yeah, it seems like that's what's happening, because it's getting some information, it's getting fed back to the model, and with that information, it's going even deeper. It's almost like, it's going like depth first. To figure out, going really deep into a certain thing, and also covering some breadth as well, because it's looking at different cities and where to visit.
Yeah, totally. Yeah, looks like both models are kind of ready with the information searching phase.
They're both at the writing phase.
They're kind of like downloading the data, getting it into the website.
Yeah, I'm excited. I'm curious if they're going to be like kind of similar or like very different.
Yeah, totally. All right, so looks like we have option A generated. Let's see what it gives. As you can see, wow, first it's building on top of the one that we choose, which is really nice. It keeps all the good things I want to keep. Yeah.
Ooh, let's see if the restaurants are here. Oh, okay. So it's saying must try.
Recommended restaurants. Let's go.
Oh, awesome. Oh, wow. And you open it, and it gives you like a nice description, the address, the hours.
Oh, man.
And what we must try. So we can know what to order now.
Yeah.
It told us right there.
Has hours, address. These are all like pulled from like, I assume Yelp or some kind of like
definitely
web source of information, which makes it very accurate.
Oh, this is really cool.
Yeah.
The reservation tip.
Yeah.
I feel like that's so like unique.
Yeah.
That's like typically information that you get from like your friends. Like this restaurant, it gets booked really fast.
Yeah.
And it's like giving us like advice before we go into it.
Yeah. Sister restaurant as a backup. I really appreciate that. It really means that the model goes deep on a lot of these researches. Yeah.
Oh, did it have the travel tips before as well?
Oh, it has each side. It has like it added this like 3 restaurants, like a couple of restaurants part.
That's really cool.
Yeah, man, this is really good. Yeah. I think I'm gonna start use Coderina for every like outing that we're gonna do now, like just for the research and the presentation. Right? It's so cool. Like imagine
what you can do is you can take this website with you and actually just like have it as like your like almost like tour guide in Japan, right?
Yeah.
Have this one this one pager, and you can reference it as you go visit different places.
Yeah, and I also noticed that we have this share button, means that I can share this URL with other people.
So the really nice thing about Coderina is your sites when it creates, they're permanent. They're public sites, they're permanent, and you can send it to your friends, and it's automatically published on the web.
Got it.
It's on an Arena site domain, and you can have that link go with you wherever you want.
Wow. See, this is open as a new tab. Yeah. Just imagine like, if your friends ask you like, where should we go for dinner tonight, and just casually drop a website of like the places that you can go. Yeah, how cool is that?
Yep.
Yeah.
You'll be the coolest friend in the group.
Yep.
The most well-prepared friend.
Yep. All right.
Awesome.
Let's quickly go through option B. Looks like it's ready as well.
Yeah.
Oh wow, some different picks.
Different picks.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Also very solid. Oh wow. Also like very, very detailed information when expanded. Even quoting some reviews and sources.
Wow.
So this is from like TripAdvisor. Yeah. It also has booking tip.
Booking tips.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is kind of going above and beyond.
Yeah.
It has everything that option A has and more.
Yeah. Does a better job researching. I guess I have to go with option B.
Let's go with option B.
Yeah.
Let's vote for it.
Let's see.
Oh, okay.
Oh, now it's Opus thinking versus Opus. I guess thinking works.
It works. I mean, it makes sense, especially for such a heavy search task. It makes sense to have a thinking-enabled model.
Yep. Totally. It finds like finds out more about like things that it should search, which helps with like this question.
Totally.
Yeah.
Well, thanks, Yue, for spending time with me to kind of build the pan site. I'm actually very curious to see if your wife says yes to this now when you show her this website.
I think I can make all the calls for restaurants now, like with the help of Coterie. I just built a site.
You just built it. You did all the heavy lifting here.
Yep.
Yeah, she'll be super amazed. How did you come up with all of this?
Yeah. Totally. Yeah. I'll be sharing Coterie in the URLs all over now.
Yeah. Next time we do this, we can build something else. Super cool. But this was really fun going through building this entire site end to end.
Yeah. Very much look forward to it, and thanks for hosting me.